Good morning, children. We are going to see the second question. Write the following fractions to its simplest form. We will see from the example. To reduce a fraction to its simplest form, divide both the numerator and the denominator with the same number except 1 and 0 until it cannot be divided further. So write the simplest form of 15 by 45. Children, we need to check these two numbers, the numerator and the denominator, in which table it is divisible. So we can see as the ones place is 5 in both the numbers, so it is divisible by 5. So write divided by 5 in the numerator and also in the denominator. So we need to divide both the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Okay, so in the same we have taken 5. So in 5 table, 5 threes is 15, 5 nines is 45. Now we got answer as 3 by 9, but it is further divided by 3. So again we will take divided by 3 in the numerator, divided by 3 in the denominator. Now again 3 ones are 3, 3 threes is 9. So our final answer, this is the simplest form. This 1 by 3 cannot be divisible further. Okay, so this is the simplest form. Now children, one important note: to reduce a fraction to its simplest form, we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by their HCF. I will tell you how it is. Now when we look after the sum in the exercise, so it is through HCF it is told. So let us take, because the first fraction is 15 by 50, again these two are divisible by 5. We can able to see clearly. So according to the HCF, if we take, so 15 comma 50. Okay, so both numbers comes in 5 table, means divisible by 5. So 5 threes are 15, 5 tens are 50. So now according to HCF, we have to take the common factor. So in this, no, these 3 and 10 cannot be divisible in any other table, in one table. So we will leave. So what is HCF? It is 5. So with the 5, we need to divide. It is clearly, we know that by seeing the number we can know, but through HCF method also. So whatever is the HCF, if we divide that with that number, our answer will be correct. Okay, without any, if no need of thinking in which table it will go, it will be divisible. Clear children? So 15 divided by 5 is 3. That means 5 threes are 15, 5 tens are 50. Now the second one, 32 by 56. Now again, if we see, this 32 is and 56 comes in 8 table, divisible by 8. So 8 fours is 32, 8 sevens is 56. Now 14 by 64. These two numbers comes in 2 table. 14 divided by 2, 64 divided by 2. 2 sevens is 14, 2 32 times is 64. Now we will see the third bit, fill in the blanks. Children, I'll show you in the textbook. In the textbook, it is given as 3 by 4 box by 16. Children, when we have both the here numerator place is empty, we need to fill this empty box. Now we know both the denominators, so we need to find the relation between these two. Means 4 into how much will give us 16. So 4 fours is 16. So the same relation we need to take in the numerator also. So 3 4s are 12 is our answer. Is it clear? Now here also same, 7 into 4 is 28. So here in the denominator place also into 4. 4 into how much is 32? 4 8 is 32. So our answer is 8. Okay children. In the same way we need to complete the full sum till f. That means 6 sums we need to complete. We will see the next one. Now children will see the brain booster 8.5. Here we have compare the following. Means greater, lesser or equal to. Greater than, less than or equal to we need to use. Now children, here we are able to see some of the fractions are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means the denominators are different. Like fraction. Okay. So now when it is like fractions, we can directly write the answer. Now see, both the denominators are same. So whichever numerator is more will be more. See here, 32 by 43, 42 by 43. Now 42 is greater than 32. So this is greater. We can directly write which one is greater. But if it is unlike fraction, we will see how to find out. Now children, when it is unlike fraction, we need to make both the unlike fractions into like fractions. We will see here we have two methods to make the unlike fraction into like fraction. Now see 4 by 9, 3 by 7 both are unlike fraction. So we have made finally into like fractions. We will see how. So here first we need to take LCM. 9 and 7 are not prime numbers, but these two numbers is not divisible by in any single table, single number. So we will just directly multiply both the numbers. 9 into 7 is 63. Now children, we should make this denominator into 63 and this 7 also we should make 63. Now for that, first we will take 4 by 9 and with what number if we multiply it will become 63. 9 7s is 63. Now same in the numerator and denominator multiply with 7. Now the second fraction 3 by 7 into 7 9s is 63. Both the numerator and the denominator should be multiplied with 9. Now 4 7s is 28, 9 7s are 63. 3 9s are 27 by 7 9s are 63. So when we have like fractions, it is easy for us to find which one is greater. Now 28 is greater than 27. Okay, so we can mark greater than symbol. So this is the first method. Second method is directly cross multiplying. 4 7s are first numerator into second denominator. Cross multiply. We will call it as cross multiply. Like x it is there. So 4 7s are 28. 9 3s are 27. So 28 is greater than 27. Okay, so this is also greater than symbol. So children, you can use any method. Okay, whichever method you like, it is easy. If you feel that it is easy, that you can follow. So in both the cases you got greater than symbol. Any method you will get the same result. So the first one is 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 7. Now 12 by 19, 15 by 22. We need to find the comparison between these two. So again in the same method, so first we when we check, these two numbers will not come in the same table because one is prime. When one is prime and the other is composite, you cannot. Okay, so these two will not come in the same table. So directly multiply and we will get 418. So 19, first take the fraction and multiply with 22. 19 into 22. The second fraction